After hitting a 40-year high of 9.1% in June 2022, inflation has slowed. It's Friday, May 17th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Despite the slowing inflation, industry forecasts are at odds over the realistic expectation of the interest rate dropping. Consumers are paying more at the gas pumps for food, energy, and goods, so naturally, higher housing prices are also a factor. The Baltimore metro region saw an 8% increase in home prices year to date, while the southern region rose 7.5%. The Maryland Mountain region rose 17.5%. The Maryland suburbs had a 5.2% increase. Homes are also still selling quickly despite higher inventory in some locations, and predictions indicate that this may continue through the summer. If the interest rate drops, we will likely see more activity from home buyers as new inventory pushes up too. Homes coming soon have pushed up to 1,401. New inventory actually fell 6.4% from last week to 1,746. New contracts remain close, with 1,768 going under contract in 8 median days. 1,381 sold since last report at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals remain fairly steady at 1,973 available for lease at a median rental price of $2,275 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 17th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.